Well, in the last class already we completed the first main problem in the exercise 2.4. In the today's class, let us look at the second problem. Now look at the second problem here. Use the factor theorem to determine whether the g of x is a factor of p of x in the following cases. Now look at the problem here. P of x is equal to 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. Already also they given the g of x. What is the g of x here? G of x is equal to x plus 1. Now in the given problem, P of x is equal to as the dividend and g of x called as the divisor. In the given problem, they also given the P of x and the g of x. P of x is called as the dividend and the g of x called as the divisor. Now finding the remainder by the 2x cube plus x square minus 2x plus x minus 1 by the x plus 1 by the x plus 1. Now step 1, if you are taking the divisor is equal to 0, divisor is equal to 0, x plus 1 is equal to 0. What is the x plus 1? X plus 1 is the divisor. X plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. Already got the x value. Now P of x is equal to, what is the P of x? 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. Now already we got the x value. What is the x value here? Minus 1 is the x value. In the place of the x, we are putting the value minus 1. In the place of the x, we are using the value minus 1. Now 2 bracket minus 1 whole to the power of 3 plus minus 1 whole to the power of 2 minus 2 bracket minus 1 minus last is the minus 1. In the place of the x, wherever the x is present, you are using the value minus 1. Now 2 bracket minus 1 whole to the power of 3 plus minus 1 whole to the power of 2 minus 2 bracket minus 1 last is the minus 1. Now P of minus 1 is equal to, if you are multiplying the minus 1 into 3 times, you will get the value minus 1. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Now if you are multiplying the minus 1 into 2 times, you will get the value plus 1. Here also sign is plus 1. Now minus into minus, minus into minus plus 2, last is the minus 1. Here P of minus 1 is equal to, minus 2 plus 2 cancels, plus 1 and the minus 1 cancel. The P of minus 1 is equal to 0. If you are getting the remainder 0, is equal to 0, then we can say that the g of x is the factor of the P of x. Then we can say that the g of x is a factor of the P of x. Now what is the remainder here? Remainder is equal to 0. Now we can say that g of x is a factor of P of x. Now we can say that the g of x is a factor of the P of x. Now we have completed the first problem. Look at the second problem. Look at the second problem. P of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 and g of x is equal to x plus 2. G of x is equal to x plus 2. Now in the second problem also they have given the p of x and the g of x. What is the p of x? P of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 and g of x is equal to x plus 2, and p of x is called as the dividend and the g of x is called as the divisor. Now we have to find the remainder. Finding the remainder by the x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 by the x plus 2. We have to find the remainder by using the dividend and the divisor. What is the dividend? X cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is the dividend, x plus 2 is the divisor. Now step 1, in the place of the divisor, if you are taking the divisor is equal to 0, what is the divisor here? X plus 2 is the divisor. X is equal to minus 2. In the place of the divisor, if you are using the value 0, what is the divisor here? X plus 2 is the divisor. X plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. Now if you are taking the p of x, what is the p of x here? X cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. X cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Now in the place of the x we are using the value minus 2. In the place of the x we are using the value minus 2. Now minus 2 whole to the power of cube, plus 3 bracket minus 2 whole to the power of 2. Now plus 3 bracket minus 2, last is the plus 1. In the place of the x we are using a value minus 2 because we got the x value is equal to minus 2. Now p of minus 2 is equal to, if you are multiplying the minus 2 into 3 times, you will get the value is equal to minus 8, and plus 3 into minus 2 you will get the minus 6, and plus 3 into minus 2 is equal to minus 6 and the plus 1. Now here 3 bracket minus 2 minus into, here some small mistake. If you are multiplying the minus 2 into 3 times you will get the minus 8, plus if you are multiplying the minus 2 into 2 times you will get the plus 4 into 3 you will get the plus 12, and if you are multiplying the 3 into minus 2 you will get the minus 6, last is the plus 1. Now p of minus 2 is equal to, now look at the minus n here, minus 8 and the plus 6, minus 6. The answer is minus 14 plus 12 plus 1 is the 13. Now p of minus 2 is equal to minus 14 plus 13 is the minus 1. P of minus 2 is equal to minus 1. Already we know that if you are getting the remainder is equal to exactly, if you are getting the remainder equal to 0, then we can say that the g of x is the factor of the p of x, but you got the remainder is equal to minus 1, then we can say that it is not a factor of the g of x, is the p of x. Now remainder is equal to minus 1, then we can say that g of x is not a factor of p of x. Then we can say that the g of x is not a factor of p of x, because we are getting the remainder is equal to minus 1. If you are getting the remainder is equal to exactly 0, then we can say that g of x is a factor of p of x. The next today we complete the 2 problems in the second main problems. The next class we shall continue the remaining problems. Thank you. ಒಂದತ್ರ